28 subscribers in a month. Y'all can't beat me though. Alright, if this video can get to 3 likes, I'll do a double upload. Which is, I already know what game it's gonna be, because, you know, I've already played it. But I'm gonna redo it, because the muffle sound is terrible. Don't like it. Alright, 3 likes, all I'm asking. Do a double upload. I'll try to post every day. It probably won't happen, but most likely it'll be that Hunter Online game. I think y'all see the video, but you know, let me get a like though. You know, we dominating YouTube though. I've had the 30 subscribers special. I can get 30 subscribers. You know, all right. See y'all in the video, and subscribe, like, share. I don't care what you do, just get me to 30. All right, see y'all later. All right. Let me put that microphone away. All right. All right. If I sound sick, I'm pretty sure I'm sick. But like, I'm finna do that double upload, so your boy finna be on that YouTube like that right now, cause it's on the weekend right now. All right. I know I haven't posted in a minute. Stupid. I haven't posted in a minute. It's been a while since I've done anything right now. Been at school, working, you know. Haven't really thought of you making another YouTube video. But I'm slacking, so I gotta get back on that thing. Alright. So YouTube, it's Jay Crazy back with another video, and welcome back to Try Not to Laugh. This one is the first Try Not to Laugh we're ever gonna do on our channel. Well, my channel, to be exact. Yeah. We're gonna try this out. If it doesn't work, you know, you go home with that poopy face. If I win, I come home with that. You gotta subscribe. That's it. That's all it is. I don't really care what you gotta say. Just subscribe. I really do this thing, because you might just not. Because last time I tried to make a Try Not to Laugh, and like the sound was higher than me, so you couldn't hear myself. So that's why I didn't post it. It was stupid. All right, let's go. I'm just not gonna talk, that's it. What did he hit? Jesus. Oh my God. Uh-oh, no cursing, Jesus. Huh. Well. Oh, well, that's nice. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on here? Oh, he's wanted by the FBI. He's right there. You better call the police. Oh, wow. David Dobrik. Is that even real? Nope. I was right. It didn't look real. Nobody would run over dog unless you're that bad. Florida man donates to local soup kitchen. More like robbing. There ain't no donating. Oh no, I laughed. Oh, I forgot I was doing this video. I don't know how many times I laugh. Jesus. That thing looking at you? I feel like it is. This whole body just turned. I mean, you just called his names. Jesus. No pugs. Wow. I don't know what's wrong with them, but they. What is he supposed to be? How couldn't he even walk in the store like that? That's. Go crazy. Go stupid. Why are there so many bananas? That is racist. I'm going ahead and call it racist. Racist. I don't want to hear nothing like that again. No. They took that too far right there. Nope. That's wrong. Affecting your future. Oh. Is that Shrek? Oh, who we cutting up? Oh, never mind. I don't want to go there no more. The world was like a story. Wow. Bars have been spit. What's going on here? So, was he just a rock or what? Was he on some type of crack? Some animatronic? Oh my god. Chair. Say his name. Be laughing when he kills you. Who? The pee poo poo man. Ha! Well. Boy, baby, I wanna be a cowboy, baby. Ooh. Mop. Ooh. Mop. Oh, okay. Mop. Hero Brian, huh? Oh my lord. Why? He's driving so fast. He didn't skate. What's the point? 5-second skate video. Wow. Yum. Jesus, Shrek. You're so... Oh. Oh, that he had some moves. He had some legitimate moves. No, he pretty hurt. Are you kidding me that he's hurt? It's your birthday. We go party. Like it's your birthday. Why are they hopping so high? I like how they just lunge like that. Anybody want to explain to me why he's eating so fast? Yeah, someone recorded this. He just said father. Why are they hopping so high? Jesus. Ooh, you know I'm about to hop on back on that Call of Duty though. What is that? Dun, 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 dun. Ha! It broke. I don't ever understand that last part, whatever it says. Trust me, Oh. Squirtle on the chair. Oh my god, Kermit. He's dead. Okay. No, no. Bentley, stop. Oh, Donald Trump. That's why you getting impeached, boy. He's hurt. What happened to his hand? I don't like those. Not at all. Instead of cutting off his toenails, he was cutting off his fingertips. Bars. Speak the truth. Even though I'm 13. Where's his nose? Why is his face so close to his chin? Oh. Naked. I hope I don't get oh no. Oh, I hope I don't get demonetized for that. Gotta go back. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's like, I think that's my second time laughing. I don't know. I hope that's my second time laughing. If that's not my second time laughing, then what is laughter? Okay, because I'm not losing. That's the only meme that probably, that and that second one was the only meme that probably made me laugh. That's it. The other times I ain't laugh. Oh, let's see make another video. Are you serious? You are. You know what? What is up with him? Been on that animatronic. Huh. I guess he was a Nazi. What is going on inside their head? Their head. You're like he about to have a heart attack. Look at him. Ooh. You sound stupid. No. I like how they did my man Shaq face though. He really looked like a sloth in this one. Too bad for you. Whatever they put on you, they ain't doing nothing. That's a lot of baby powder. So don't you think that's too much? He looks ashy. What is? You're gonna suffocate the man. That's all the big. You're still doing it, huh? Wow. He looks painful. He looks hurt. So that's where they got it from. You know. Like blood. Well,